Hi, welcome to Right Drive Academy's channel and to our Show Me Tell Me series. Today we're in a 2022 Audi A1 30 Tfsi. It's a 5-speed manual and we're having a look at the Show Me Tell Me's for this. So again, if the examiners asked you to open the bonnet and you're in one of these bad boys, how do we open it? On the driver's side. So on the driver's side, here is the latch, and here we go. We have a nice little pull system there, and it's completely flush, so you kind of goes well with our left hand to just get a bit of flex. And on the right hand side, so above the second ring, directly above is the latch, and we're pushing it in this direction from right to left. Push it all the way in. Here it is, and it's like a full swing system. Again, this is a pretty decent and heavy bonnet. Again, just like other cars, we've got two latches, and on this side, so we're pulling it from the right hand side, yellow color coded, all the way across into this area, and there is an arrow here telling you to put it here. Once you've secured your bonnet and your hood for the A1 here, so once you've opened up the bonnet for your A1, Audi A1, here is your brake fluid reservoir. Again, you're looking for the minimum and maximum levels. Your engine coolant is located here, and it should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Your engine oil dipstick, here it is, and again you pull it out, wipe it, put it back in, because remember it goes all the way down to the bottom. Take it out to get a fresh reading. It should be between the minimum and maximum. Engine oil dipstick, coolant, and brake fluid. Your screen wash reservoir is located here, and again remember to open, fill, and securely place. Your engine is here, your light bulbs here, your battery here, and again access for everything because it's open and not covered. This is your Audi A1. When you are finished, remember, two hands, push your bonnet to get a little bit of flex. Again, bring the support arm in, make sure it's connected and put in place. So with your with the support arm secure, bring your bonnet down, never drop it, bring it in place, and give it a strong push, secure, jobs are good. So we are in the Audi A1 30 Tfsi, which is a 6-speed manual gearbox. Again, very tidy car, everything's got a nice digital display. So your left hand stalk here is about your indicators and lights. So up to go right, cancel. Down to go left, cancel. When you pull towards, this activates the flash mechanism, as you can see there. But when you push towards the car, that will activate the full beams, in the front full beams. However, they will not come on unless your lights are on in the first place. So here you have to activate your lights for the full beams to be activated. So when you currently, if you look here, the light says lights are off. When we press this button once, that engages the automatic lights. So as you can see, the lights, because it's getting a bit dim, the dipped beams have activated. Now that they're on, when we push that way, the full beams have activated. So that's how we get them on, and then we pull it towards us to deactivate. So once again, push towards to activate, pull towards to deactivate, and they will only work if your lights have been turned on. So automatic lights are here. You keep pressing that, and that will go through the range. Dip lights, side lights, off. And when you turn the lights off, this will not function. The flash will, but the full beams will not. Your rear fog lights are located here. By activating that, it will switch all the lights on when you activate the rear fog lights. And then to turn them off, here we go. These are your front lights and light activating sequences on the Audi A1. There is also a cruise control mechanism here, but that won't be asked for you in your test. And again, this lever here activates the steering columns, allows it to move up and down as normal. Here is your rear demister. When you activate that, that'll come on at the back, and by turning this dial to that top button, top symbol and this symbol, these are your front demisters. And your hazard lights are located here. When you turn them on, it activates the hazard lights all over, and then deselect. These are your light controls. So the right hand stalk is all about your wipers. So again, if you look and follow this protocol here, this list, by pressing it down one, that activates the front wipers once. By flicking it up, that's automatic. Then it's low and high, and depending on how and what's going on, that's what's going on as fast as possible, and you bring it down whatever you need. When you pull this towards you, this will activate the screen wash, and you can see that just here, and it'll stop as soon as you're done. When you push the opposite direction all the way down, it will activate the rear screen wash. There it is. And then again, front to pull, and then when you push it once, that activates the back wipers. Keep pushing it all the way down, that activates the rear screen wash, and then pull it once to deactivate. These are your wiper settings, and these are your light settings. This is the Audi A1 30 Tfsi 6-speed manual 2022. Thanks for watching.